Roses are red, violets are blue. I hate drugs. What about you? Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Sah. I did in class 11. My school name is Khanna High School for Girls. Today I will speak on the topic drug awareness. Drugs can harm your body in variety ways. They can damage your brain, heart and other organs. They also they also lead to addiction and other health serious problems. It is important to be aware to the risks associated with drug you so that you can make informed decisions about whether or not to take drugs. Effect of the drugs on human body. When you take drugs enter your bloodstream and travel throughout your body. You inject a drug into the bloodstream where it is carried quickly. It is your brain. It is your brain. When you smoke or shot drugs, they are absorbed into the bloodstream through the tissues in your nose or lungs. How can prevent drugs? There are many things we can prevent drug abuse and addiction. Some of these things include: first, educated awareness and our children about to risks associated with. Second, creating hitting positive environmental and discourage drug use. Third, provide resources and the support for people and need help with the addiction and drug abuse. There are many types of we can leave drugs. So some example I was say we can also work to improve our society by creating opportunities for people to be activity and engage in their neighborhoods. We all know that drugs are not safe for our human body, but we are continue to use drugs. This is a very wrong. So today I will, and we are leave these things. Okay. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.